Hello, hello, hello. Erika Page here, president of the Living Luxury Atlanta team at Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. And here we go. I got a house over my shoulder, so you know what that means. We got another listing coming up for sale. That's my little doggy running around in the background. Anyway, this is a gorgeous little 3-2. Well, the house is, you know, a medium-sized house, but it's sitting on a big piece of land. It's sitting on 2 acres over in Winder, Georgia. So this is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, fresh paint on the outside, new roof. They put some really nice laminate floors inside. It's got a beautiful fireplace with some stacked stone. This property is coming soon. It's going to be priced at right a little bit over $200,000. My lender says that the monthly payment, including everything, taxes, insurance, there is no HOA, would be right under $1,200. So this is a great deal. I know that some people are paying rent for small apartments that are paying way more than $1,200. This one is right off of 316, very easy access, and it's private. Lots and lots and lots of space. Okay, so let me see if I can show you guys the land. It's really nice. I know you're probably getting a sunburst. Big private piece of land. You can see it's kind of set back. I don't know if you can see that road there. Let me see if maybe if I come over here. So gorgeous. It's really, really nice home, good looking home. Yeah, I'm excited about it. Anyway, so we're gonna put some interior pictures and everything. As usual, we're gonna go through our routine like we do. So I'm going to send it to my database of VIP buyers first. These are all the people that have that we've been working with for the last couple years. People in all kinds of different stages of buying that have said they might be interested in buying. They're on our VIP buyer list. I always send them properties first, which is nice for them. So if you are thinking about buying in the next year or so, you probably want to get on my VIP buyer list. And then for sellers, it's really nice. We always do an excellent job. Right now, our stats say that we can get a property under contract on an average of 14 days. Sometimes it's shorter, sometimes it's longer. Just got one under contract in 3 days. Pretty excited about that. But there was another one that took us about 27 days. So on average, though, about 14 days that we can get a property under contract. Of course, for our sellers, we have our guaranteed sale program. And also, for our sellers, we will do a free consultation to let you know what we think you can get on closing day after all expenses related to the house. Okay, Erika Page again, president of the Living Luxury Atlanta team at Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. Our name is our promise. We absolutely love helping buyers and sellers. We love helping people buy and sell the place that they call home. Investors too. All right, looking forward to working with you guys. You're going to see some pictures and things like that coming up, but we're excited about another amazing listing. Take care.